Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kiana and I do a lot of sewing and fashion videos. In this video, I'm going to be designing my senior collection, sketching it out, figuring out what I want to do. And there's a whole situation with that, which I will explain in a little bit. I did actually already create a video on how to make a mood board using Google Slides. That's already up on my YouTube channel, so I will put a card on the top of the screen and link that down below. But before we get into the video at all, I just want to say thank you so much for 50,000 subscribers. I'm just so grateful for the support that you guys have given me, so I do want to do a little something for you in return, so stick around to the end of the video because there may or may not be a giveaway. I'm just kidding, there is a giveaway, so just stick to the end of the video if you want to hear what the prizes are, because there are multiple, and hear how to win that, so stick around. Okay, so back to the video. Okay, long story short, a lot of people dream about their senior collection, and I did too before, but honestly, I'm not taking it seriously, and that's the tea. Okay, so back it up. I've done 4 collections already. I'm happy with what's in my portfolio. I'm already really happy with the artistic, experimental, crazy stuff I have in my portfolio, and for my senior collection, I want to just like make cool clothes that you would wear, like you'd really want to wear, and I want to make content for you guys. So that's what I'm kind of using this senior collection for, but don't worry, it's still a cool senior collection, or I hope so. It will, I hope it will be a cool senior collection for you, but so that's my disclaimer. Okay, but here's the situation. I already did create a collection and like a mood board to go along with it that I submitted. Okay, so these are the designs I have right now and that I submitted already. I got some turtlenecks, a jumpsuit, a leather dress, a leather pants. Oh, do those leather pants look familiar? They might. It seems I already started creating this collection for you. I made this mood board afterwards and tried to pretend I was inspired by it. Doesn't make sense. There is no concept. I just pulled a bunch of photos that like gave me the vibes. So what I think I'm going to do, I think I'm going to redo this mood board and then come back to you and we're gonna decide what to sketch, okay? Okay, so we need to make a mood board, updated mood board, because like I said, I have no theme. So I readjusted. Okay, so like, you know, this is the mood board from before. We've updated that girly, and I used a lot of the same pictures. You know, you see the leather shoes and the lips and the piano area. I kept the neon sign. I just changed the word because I like the word heartbreaker, which turned out to just inspire everything else. So I like the heartbreaker. I put in the picture of the heart to lollipop that's broken. I put some rose petals in. Honestly, I put that in afterwards to make the collection make more sense because I'm a cheater. But yeah, I just updated it a little bit more so I could create a concept. And here's my concept. Honestly, this is my concept, but I know my teachers are gonna say that's not a concept. That's like a target market, which like, yeah. Here's my concept. It's inspired by like the bad girl that lives in New York, does whatever the frick she wants, is independent, breaks hearts, takes names, does what she wants, and gives no craps, you know? She parties, but she's also chic. She's not trashy, she's cool. She's going to high class bars, but she keeps it real. Oh my god, that was a really wordy. Let me just read what I actually wrote. I wrote, bad girl that lives in NYC, does what she wants and breaks hearts. And my target market is a 20-something woman who likes to go out at night. She's a city girl, and yeah, I mean, you got everything. You understood. Let's go into the sketching. Let me show you how I sketch, okay? To sketch, I use my iPad. Can you see it? I use Procreate. Oh, here's a little sketch. Ooh. To be honest, I'm not the best at creating like fashion croquis, at creating the figures, so I just download some from the internet and trace over that and then make the features from that. So as you can see, the croquis here doesn't have a face or anything like that. I mean, it has like where the eyes go, but I didn't follow that template really. And then I will draw the facial features and do all the shading, but I like to have a croquis so I know what the proportions are. So this is how I sketch. It's kind of fun to watch, sped up like this. I did a lot of detail work in the face, so that's why it takes so long for the face. But then after that, I think I use like the airbrushing brushes and the acrylic brush to do most of the blending and the painting. Oh, and the script brush to do the fills. So as you can see here, I'm sketching the top I already made because I thought it would be easier, because work smarter, not harder. But then I thought, oh, you know what? It'd be fun to create another different corset that's similar but a little bit different. So that's where this kind of like draped corset top came from, and I think it's pretty cute. Wide leg pants, cute. I did like reds and pinks because like the name of my collection is gonna be Heartbreaker, and I don't want it to be like Heartbreaker in a literal sense, like it's telling a story or anything like that, no. So I just have the heart in the kind of like colors and then the vibe of the collection. So that's look number 1. Wait, what the heck? How am I supposed to do that drapey look? How am I gonna do that? I'm using red leather. Queen, you can't drape like that with leather. Next look I'm feeling, we'll go to the red leather pants because you've seen that before. You know, it's a video that I put out like 4 weeks ago. If you haven't seen that, go check out those pants because they are fire. And then I'm sketching now this top that's kind of like the trend. You know how those exposed serge seams are all the rage? I'm gonna do like contrast stitching with the red and then also color blocking in the shirt. And I wanna do this kind of theme of all these vertical seams throughout the collection. So this same red leather I used for the pants. I vibe with the silhouette, not too crazy. And I think like the red leather will take it from being basic to a little bit more sexy, a little bit more interesting, you know? If I have to do something, I'll paint some hearts on it. I think it's a little cliche. I think it's a little bit basic. Like literally the last, 2 collections ago, I made a leather dress similar to this, honestly. And I'll insert it here. And I just like to give it some oomph. I just painted on it. And that was cute. But again, I'm trying to be more wearable. I'm trying to be more reproducible, marketable. So I don't want to do textile design, honestly. And textile design is not me, even though I am a fashion and textile design major. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, so this, I want to make a really quick and easy piece that looks interesting with like the seams and color choices. So it's literally a basic dress, right? It's like a basic halter dress, little pointy halter, but I'm trying to make it interesting by taking that color blocking theme, those vertical seams, and that exposed kind of serged seam theme from before, and I'm putting it into this dress so it can be cohesive across the board. Ideally, like what I'm submitting right now is just the dress, because girl, you can make that in a day, maybe 2. I can do that fast. But if I'm feeling fancy, which what I've learned throughout my life is to chill the heck out, because I always try to do more than I can. And so I've sketched this blazer here. So if I have time at the end, then I'll make the blazer. I'm just submitting the little dress for now because we are not gonna bite off more than we can chew. I'm not doing that this time. I'm over school. I don't want to do it, so. And then lastly, we have the finale dress. I also have it in this red color. I think the red color is beautiful, but I think the black, when I see the black, the first thing I think is, damn, she's freaking hot and beautiful, you know, on the side. But like, I want that like more intimidating look from this dress, so that's why I'm going with the black instead of the red. Hard decision, but for the vibes, I'm gonna go for the vibes. But the bodice here matches that corset top from the first look, so cohesiveness again. Woo! Okay, so this is the full 5-look collection, which feels so weird because I've created 2 10-look collections, 1 9-look collection, and 1 7-look collection, so 5 feels odd, but it's because of the pandemic. You know, we don't have the same access to resources as we normally would, so they're cutting us some slack. Thank you. Okay, and so this finale piece is actually going to be also created in Clo 3D, which is a digital software. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the collection. Anyways, I like how cohesive it is. I'm not someone who likes a lot of patterns, a lot of prints, a lot of colors. So again, I have those recurring themes to keep it cohesive, like those vertical seam lines, the shape of the bodice, the color blocking, the exposed seams, and I'm gonna do matching top stitching, so keep it cohesive. So now we've gone through the mood board, the sketches, and then finally the technical flats. So for the technical flats, I did the front and the back for each piece, each garment. And for technical flats, you really want to map out every single little detail. So all the top stitching, where the hems are, any closures, anything like that, you want to denote that in your technical flat. So you can see here, I clearly have the top stitching on this dress and on the cuffs and on the hem. And then I have how I'm going to do the closures, where my darts are. I have details blown up. And then under each look, I do have what fabric I'm planning on using. I ordered these swatches today actually from fabric.com. I love fabric.com just because they have so many options. I got all my swatches from fabric.com except for the red leather because I got that from Joann's already. So I'm planning on using a blush crepe for the pants, although I also did order a swatch of crepe back satin. Obviously red leather for the top, red leather for this look, red leather for these pants, which are already made. And then for the top, I'm gonna do an ivory bamboo rayon knit. For this dress, I'm planning on rayon crepe. And then this black dress, also a rayon crepe, but I haven't received my samples and it all really depends on how the fabric feels, the stretch, the weight. To create technical flats, I create them in Illustrator just so everything can be, you know, pixel perfect and easy to size up and down. I think everything looks cute together. I think it makes sense. The collection works. If I ever have to go to a fancy event, I will wear this black dress. Also, this black dress will look great with this black dress, which is from my 4th collection, which is cute and they look similar and they will photograph great together. I need to get a friend to go to a fancy event with me when the pandemic is done so that we can wear matching dresses. Cute. So yeah, that is the design of my senior collection. Let me know which piece you're most excited about to see. And yeah, now it's time to get into the fun part of the video, the giveaway time. So what are you guys going to win? Well, I'm glad you asked. Actually, 5 of you are going to win something. It's literally my least favorite thing when only one person wins something because then I'm like, oh, my chances are so low. But nope, 5 of you are going to win a prize and 1 person is going to win a big prize. So 5 of you are going to win a $25 gift certificate to my Etsy shop so that you can use that to buy all the patterns you want. And you can get 3 or 4 sewing patterns with that. But yeah, I know that you guys are probably interested in patterns and I want to be able to give that to you for free. So I'm going to be giving you guys, 5 of you guys, a $25 gift card to get those patterns. Now, one lucky person is going to win a couple more things. So if you are the grand prize winner, you are going to win $100 worth of my favorite sewing supplies. So if you have not seen my sewing supplies you need 2020 video, I will put a card on the top of the screen and I will link it down below. And you're going to be able to choose from my favorite sewing supplies, which ones you actually want, up to $100. I'm gonna work with you so you get exactly what you want and need to be successful with your sewing career. So yeah, I will link that video so that you can go and watch it and see what you could possibly be winning. And then for the grand prize winner, another prize which is optional. I don't know if you want it or care about it, but it will be an hour-long Zoom session with me to talk about sewing and give you advice or tips, or if you just want to chat about sewing, or if you're working on a certain project and you need advice, or if you want me to look at your portfolio. I'm gonna, you know, make myself available for you for an hour over Zoom. But yeah, I don't want to say like, oh, I'm the prize. You get an hour with me, I'm so fancy. No. You know, you might not want that, and if you don't want that, I'm not going to be offended. I just thought it could be cool to like connect with someone, but if you don't want it, that's okay. I just thought I would offer up my services of sewing and advice to you. But yeah, you don't have to take that prize. So yeah, to recap, 5 of you are going to win a $25 gift card for my Etsy pattern shop, and one of those 5 winners is also going to receive $100 worth of sewing supplies and an hour-long Zoom session with me. So that is the giveaway. Now for the giveaway rules. So I find that it's a little bit easier to track you guys on Instagram. So the only rules are that you need to be subscribed to this channel and you need to follow me on Instagram. And then I'm going to post this photo. And on that photo, you can comment literally anything. You can comment a paragraph or you can comment a smiley face. You can comment an emoji, literally anything, just so I know that you're entering the giveaway. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment on this post. Super easy, super simple, and you will be entered into the giveaway. Now, if you want additional entries, I have a bunch of ways that you can get those additional entries with almost no work. It's really easy stuff like, you know, like sharing the post or commenting on this video. I will put all of the information on additional entries down below so you can go and read that and figure out how you can make your chances of winning a little bit better. And similarly, all the rules and prizes are also listed down below so you can go ahead and read through that. And I will be announcing the winners on my Instagram, so that's why you gotta make sure you're following me there. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and commenting and just being so supportive. I love you guys. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video and for subscribing. I love you. You have my heart. I love you so much. So yeah, I think that's everything. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.